Hi, I am Amelie with Systematic Excellence Consulting, and today I'm going to go over the Slack integration. So, the first thing is to get to that, you go to your settings and then go to Slack. And these are the different options that we have here for the integrations, like what you can do with the integration. You can also select a place for Slack notifications to go somewhere. So you can select a space, folder, or list where you would want those to go. But what I want to show you is how it actually works and what it looks like in Slack. So I've created a couple examples in here for how it will look. So for a task, I've already created one here, but if I do another one and I say, so I'm going to send it to Janine, say this blog is ready for review, and then I put the link to it, it's then going to populate this, and then if I want to view the task, I would just click on it. It's going to pop it open here for me so I can actually see the task. If I want to select the action, I can change the status, and then it's going to let me change the status. I'm going to put it ready for review, and I'm going to hit save. So now it's changed it. I can see what tags are there, ready for review, created by, unassigned. I can change the assignee. I'm going to assign it to myself, hit save. Now it's assigned to me. Excuse me, and I can see, and this is even giving the status color. So ready for review is red in our if I just go back here, oops, let me exit out of here. Ready, so that was blog post 1. So you can see ready for review is red, and that's what it's reflecting. And the first comment was blog post 3, which is in the to-do list. So you can see that it's blue here, so we can see that. Then the other thing is we can create a new task. So if we did blog number 6 needs to be added to the topic list, and I hit enter. Then if I come over here to the 3 dots, then I can create a task, attach a comment, save to Notepad. But let's say I want to create a task from this. So then it's going to let me search. So I know that this is called the blog post template list. So I know that. And then it's going to put the information in. I'm going to select the assignee. I'll assign it to myself. Due date, I'll make the due date today. I can change the priority, put the title. So blog number 6. I can even change the location of it if I don't want it on that particular list, and I hit, and now it's done that. Now I can also share the bot message with the channel, meaning now this has been created into a task. So if I click on it, it's going to open it up for me. All right, and so then it's going to populate the message right inside of here. And then if I click on this, then it's going to show me the Slack message. It's going to open it up to the Slack message. And then if we want, you can use the command, /ClickUp new. So if I do that, then if I hit enter, then it'll let me create a task. If I click on settings, it'll actually take me to my settings of ClickUp. Or I can create a task here, and I just select this, and then it's going to take me to where I want. So if you need to browse, you can browse all of your lists, but I know that this one's called the blog template list. And then it's going to let me create a task right from there. So that is the Slack integration with ClickUp. I find it to be really helpful. It allows us to, if we are having a conversation and something comes out of it that needs to be a task, I can quickly do it right there instead of, when I come back and then switch screens or whatever. The other thing is we keep our communication about tasks in ClickUp. So that's in the comments of the task, and it stays there. But if we're having a discussion about something that isn't a task yet, but we're trying to decide on something, or we're trying to determine what direction we're going in, and then we come to a conclusion in Slack, I can quickly make that a task right inside of there instead of, waiting. Once I'm back in ClickUp, then I'll do it, and forgetting the message or the conversation that we had around it. I can do it right inside of Slack. All right. So again, my name is Amelie, and this is how to utilize the Slack integration with ClickUp. Make sure that you subscribe to our channel to catch our future videos. If you're looking for additional support, one-on-one support, or if you have a team member that is learning how to use ClickUp more efficiently or effectively rather, feel free to use the link below to book a free call and see how we can support you. Thank you so much for watching.